So I have the R9M Lite Pro inside my Taranis X-Lite. Okay, and let's see how to modify the power. Hold it to the right, the joystick. We're on the first page out of 12 and go to the second one to the right. Go to the top and the second. So the internal radio frequency is off and the external radio frequency is enabled. This one, and that has options set. So enter there to set, and power 20 decibels, which is 100 milliwatt. Enter there with the joystick. You can reduce it to 10, increase it to 100, 500 and 1 watt. And let's say accept the 500 and exit. Update TX option, yes, with the joystick, and that's it.